Hello and welcome to today, and we are doing another car detailing. This time we are doing inside and the out, so let's go and have a quick look at the car. I'm just going to turn you back around. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have here a Mercedes B170, and as you can mostly see on the outside, we have some algae growing in the back. It's very dirty, and we are going to be doing the complete outside full detail, and then we are going to the inside and doing the exact same. This is a family car, so you know it's completely dirty, as all cars are when you have a family, a little pinky getting in the way. So here we have the front seats. It hasn't been cleaned for a year. This is my sister's car, so we have a bit of a rip here, so I'll have to be careful when I clean this. The wheel, again, we do have some lovely, I don't know what that is. I think it's I don't know. I'll clean that up. I'll make it all black and all nice and tidy. It's going to be a good one to do. In here, the back where the kids are, we have taken out all the rubbish and stuff like that, so this is looking a lot better than it has been. Not as worse as the Mondeo that we cleaned the other month. Obviously the car seats coming out as well, sweet wrappers as per usual. If you have kids, I'm sure if you have one of these little cubby holes, you're going to get one of them. And then you come round to the passenger side. You've got some lovely moss algae growing in the window, so we'll try and get rid of that as well. And then on the other side, again, we've got some mats, so not too bad underneath. Obviously these will all come out, and it's not looking too bad underneath. It's just these mats which need a good looking at. It's just the typical family kind of thing. Obviously we have a bit of a rip here at the top, so we just have to have a quick check over on that, making sure there's no further damage to it. Obviously we'll clean in here, gear lever, we'll clean in here, basically every little bit of detail. That's why they call it a car detailing, because you get every single bit of detail on the car, making sure it's all nice and clean so you don't miss any spots. So what we're going to do, we'll get all the equipment out, we'll have a quick look what we are going to be using, and I bought some more stuff as per usual. I'm also getting my trailer very soon, because I'm having everything to cart in my car, which is over there, so hopefully it will be done soon.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my...
Okay, so we are now on the final part of the actual cleaning the carpet and the material. As you can see, it is absolutely filthy, because obviously you got kids, and they are just like there's like being sweet candy, like from like Blackpool. You get like the rock kind of thing, and that's what that white stuff down there is. It's just the residue of the actual stick. Again, this needs all treating. Gonna get carpet clean now, and then this is going to be all like sorted and stuff like that, and then I might as well get in. I will go to the front. So down at the front, it's looking pretty decent on the passenger side. Unfortunately, there was no mat on the driver's side, so it's completely filthy. It needs a proper deep clean, and then the seats need a really good going over. I was thinking of like trying to get this on camera so you can kind of see what we try and do. I bought myself a GoPro, so hopefully that might be able to capture it if I can get the camera. Like I've got a head strap, so I might put it around the headrest and then point the camera down so you can actually see it. Hopefully that'll work, and you'll be able to see this in nice action, getting all this all nice and clean. So let's get on with the next step, which is a good deep clean on these seats and the carpets.
I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well understand that it's the only thing that I fucking do.
Okay, so I've just literally just finished this seat by using the carpet cleaner and my GoPro up there, so you'll hopefully see this in action. And oh my word, this is just looking absolutely fantastic. Like, I know there's a few splashes and stuff like that, but hey, that is part of the end result, is that will just get all wiped down. That was the state of the seat, but worse. And now, oh, it's absolutely fantastic. It's looking so nice. Next is the carpet. We're going to get that all done and dusted. As you can see, I've just sprayed some more stuff on there just to keep it, and I'm going to agitate it with the drill brush, and it's going to look absolutely fantastic. So let's carry on, and I'll show you the end result on the actual carpets, and then we're going to do the the other side. So let's get on with the rest. Okay, so we've just stopped doing the carpet cleaning, and well, that's the colour of the water, and that is absolutely beautiful. And there's some lovely gunge at the bottom, which I would wash out a bit later. So let's have a look at the inside then, and it is looking so much better now in there. There we go. Still a bit wet, but you know, we'll go in the inside. It's looking very nice now. Just need to finish it off now with the deep clean of the the all-purpose cleaner inside, and then we're going to protect it, and then we're going to go on to the outside, and hopefully we can do. I've inspired people cleaning their car as well, because I started this and then they started, and then I've got people down there doing the exact same thing. So I kind of inspiring people to get out cleaning their cars, but you know, I'm trying to do this for a living, so you know, I'll go into more detail there, just doing a little bits and pieces. But you know, hey, you know, we want to keep after these cars so they'll last, especially on the inside. But you know, we'll carry on the outside. We'll get this all nice and clean, and you know, we'll carry on. Let's go. Okay, so now on to the outside. So we'll just have a quick walk around just so we can see what we are dealing with. As you can see, as I said before, we're dealing with some algae around here. It's proper dirty. As I said, this hasn't been cleaned for just over a year, and absolutely filthy in there. I think it's a bit of rust and stuff like that inside there, but we'll try and get that as clean as possible. Again, some you know, mold, whatever you want to call this, moss, that's the word I'm thinking of. So we'll try and get rid of that with a little fine like brush. The wheels again are filthy, so what we're going to do first is do a bit of a pre-rinse, get rid of most of all the dirt again on the top, windows, and we will see how this goes. I will use my head camera for the wheels if you want to have a look. Again, on the bottom it is so dirty, so yeah, this is going to be fun. Let's carry on. Okay, so excuse me, right. I've just literally just done a snow foam. I've just emptied the tank, and I've sprayed some iron remover, and I can see, look how red this is. Sprayed some in there, that's going. Done some wheels as well. But do you know what? With the car the way it is, it's not going to be too bad when it's finished. Like, I've just literally done some snow foam with the bit of amber. I've also done some degreaser, and I've also done the iron remover all in one go, and then that is like all dripping off. So now it's time for the rinse. So I'll come back in a second once it's all rinsed, and we'll have a look and see how good it's actually working. Okay, so it's now time to go home. As you can see, it is getting a bit dark now, but let's put it this way, it is really clean now. I'm quite happy the way this is like turned out. Like the wheels look good, just everything about it just looks absolutely fantastic. And then I went over with my dryer, which is that's my blow and my dry and blow vac. It is a VacMaster. I'm not too sure that is the right one, but I got it from VacMaster. The website cost me 180 quid, and well, they're worth 180 quid, and I didn't pay for that much. I got it from my store, but yeah, they are 180 quid if you want one. But just the shine on the car, it's just looking absolutely fantastic, and yeah, I'm kind of happy with how that's turned out, and hopefully my sister will be grateful and happy that that her car looks like it's just come off the showroom. That's how good this car looks, and obviously with the camera, like just the shine. Let's see if we can get down. Oh yeah, like the camera never does it justice. Like, I do apologise if it's a bit windy. I have got my hand covered over the mic, so it's not like hopefully not too bad for you. But yeah, it's just looking really good. I'm kind of happy with it. Like the inside, as I said, it's just looking absolutely fantastic. Camera's struggling just a bit to kind of do it. Like, it's really like grainy because it's dark in there, but it's just one of them where everything is just absolutely fantastic. So if you are, as I said, by the Wirral and you want your car done, let me know. Get in touch. I'll give you prices. I will put a link down to my Google, so you can have a look where I'm at and things like that. So just let me know. And yeah, right. If you want to see more, let me know. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And hope I'll see you in the next one, where we are going to be doing some wheels, but on my car. I'm just going to concentrate just on that. So I'm going to get the head camera. I know I was going to get the head camera on the wheels, but I just didn't in the end because I didn't have enough time to get it all done. But yes, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, I'll see you later, and hopefully that you have a good week.